Welcome, welcome, welcome to another spooky month. Sit down, be scared, and let's enjoy the blood and gore that will come this month. So you better prepare, or otherwise I come to get you! Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Reacts, and I watched The Birds. Sorry. Second movie of Alfred Hitchcock on the channel. Third movie that I've ever watched from Alfred Hitchcock. The first movie that we watched on the channel was Rear Window, which was a request. Good movie, really good movie. Go watch my review for that and go watch the movie because it's really worth it. The Birds, yes. I like to listen to podcasts while I'm working. And no, you motherfucker. And one of those questions was about The Birds, about the movie. It was something about I don't know how you call it in English, but those people that you pay to just sit in the back, not main actors and all, but just sitting in the back, how do you call those people? But something like which movie was at the most? No, something about not being paid with money because they're all birds. It's way better on. But it's from Lateral with Tom Scott. Good podcast. Go listen to it if you like podcasts. It's a bit questions, and then you have to sometimes think outside the box. It's fun to listen to because sometimes it's a bit of trivia. Anyway, let's just start with The Birds. We see a trolley. We're in San Francisco apparently, and we see a trolley, driving, on the street. And a woman crosses the street. At the other side, she got whistled at. She stopped, looked, and smiled. She then looked up to the sky, and there were a lot of birds. A lot. Then she goes inside to Davidson's pet store, and she goes upstairs to where the counter is, because she ordered some birds. I'm gonna leave it at that, because if you want to know what's gonna happen next, you have to watch the movie yourself. It was a fun movie, fun-ish, but it wasn't as good as Rear Window or Psycho. Because with Psycho I was really from, oh holy shit, because there were signs but I didn't guess it. And Rear Window I kinda knew it due to Family Guy, because there was an episode, a couple episodes with Brian. That was Brian that had a Rear Window moment. That sounded so wrong. Um, oh, never mind. But it was definitely I liked that movie. I almost want to say I like that window. I definitely like that movie, and I can't wait to watch some more Alfred Hitchcock movies. But maybe I have to. I can do an Alfred Hitchcock month, where we're gonna watch almost every day a movie from Alfred Hitchcock. But it's maybe not that as fun, because it's more fun just to sprinkle it about here some and there some, not to spoil the fun too much. But that's nothing to do with this movie. This movie itself, like I said, it was funish. It was alright. It was a decent movie. So I gave it 3.75. Yes. Um, it was a decent movie. Was it good? One. No, not good, but it was not bad. But it was better than. It was alright. It was decent. It was a decent movie. Yeah. What else can I say? I like the cars. And what I found weird is, you have what's the guy's name in the movie? It's on the tip of my tongue. Mitchell? Mitch? Let's call him Mitch. I think it's something with the M. I think it's Mitch or Mitchell. But let's go with Mitch. Mitch looks around the age of 36. And he has a sister, a younger sister. But she looks at the age of 15, 14, 15. It's possible, obviously, but it's kind of weird, Yes, it's like I said, it's possible, but if it's from the same father, why wait almost around 20 years to take a second child, But I don't know. I don't have children. I'm not married, so if people want to do that, you do you, But I would say, let's them get to them grow up together a bit, Like, me and my sister, the years are just two, the age difference is just 2 years, but we grew up together, But this, yes, you have less chance to grow up together and maybe get a connection with each other. Yes, you're still brother and sister, but it's, less connection. But that's probably me. But that's just a weird point. Here they looked so different in age. That's just a me problem. But that said, I'm gonna leave it at that, because tomorrow we're gonna watch The Birds 2. Yes, there's a sequel, and don't know from which year it actually is from the top of my head, but we'll see that tomorrow. So we're gonna watch The Birds 2. And maybe we're gonna start already with the new show called Bottom. 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 It's also a British comedy, and I see a lot of memes from it on Facebook. So I thought, let's give it a try. If I don't like it, we're gonna just skip it because, who the hell cares? It's my channel. I'm gonna watch it what I like. But it has only 18 episodes, so maybe. But that said, don't forget to leave a like, recommend a bird related horror movie down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel and come join Discord because I'll stream movies every single day. What I also didn't expect was that this movie was 2 hours long. I thought it was 1.5 hours. So when I started this at 7:30 p.m. I thought so, oh shit, because it's now 10 o'clock. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for The Birds 2. Bye.